Hi, hello, namaste, my dear friends and students. My name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims led to success made in India. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss it, mathematical induction. Mathematical induction chapter will also helpful for Andhra Pradesh, CBSE, ICSE, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, like all state board exams. So now I wanted to go to directly question. Prove that by using mathematical induction. For all n belongs to n, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now I wanted to discuss with you solution with 100% concept. This mathematical induction question I wanted to divide 3 parts. Step 1, n is equal to 1. Step 2, n is equal to k. Step 3, we can prove n is equal to k plus 1. Now I wanted to go to tell you step 1. The given value can be written as s of n is equals to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Complete the given question. You can write it as s of n. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. After that I wanted to go to step 1. Step 1 is if n is equals to 1, then s of 1. N is equals to 1, then s of 1. Take LHS. What is the value of LHS in the term n square? And what is the value of n? 1. 1 square is 1. Next to RHS value. RHS value is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n value is 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 1 by 6. This can be written as 1 into 1 plus 1 is 2 into 2 1 are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 6. 2 3 are 6. 6 cancelled. RHS value also 1. LHS value also 1. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. If you get LHS is equal to RHS, close your eyes and you can write s of 1 is true. Next I wanted to go to step 2. Step 2 is suppose that s of k is true for some k belongs to n. Step 2 is suppose that s of k is true for some k belongs to n, that is n is equal to k. Second step is n is equal to k. So directly I wanted to write suppose that s of k is true for some k belongs to n, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus k square is equals to k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6. This is s of k step 2. Next, before going to third step, we can remember this step in each and every problem, adding k plus 1th term. This is very important one, adding k plus 1th term on both sides in s of k. So to get k plus 1th term, I wanted to tell you my dear students logic. If you don't know this logic, it is very difficult. So what is my logic? Take nth term. After taking nth term, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 and simplify. This is very easiest one and simple one. Take nth term, substitute n is equal to k plus 1 and simplify. Taking nth term. What is nth term? N square is nth term. And the next one is substituting n is equal to k plus 1. We get n square is equal to k plus 1 whole square on both sides in s of k. We can write as it is s of k value 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus k square plus adding value is k plus 1 whole square. LHS value completed. I am writing here RHS value k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 by 6 plus adding value k plus 1 whole square. K plus 1 whole square means divided by 1. Nothing is there means you can write in denominator 1. After adding k plus 1th term in left side and right side in s of k, you can leave LHS value. Why? Because I already completed k plus 1th term in this. Only you can simplify in RHS is equals to here multiply and divide by 6. Why? Because here 6 is there. So to get 6 LCM, second term you can multiply and divide by 6. 6 and 6 matching. So numerator value you can copy paste k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus multiply these two values. We get 6 into k plus 1 whole square. Next what is the common value? K plus 1 is common. Remaining value is k into 2k plus 1 plus 6 into one more time of k plus 1 whole divided by 6. Next normal simplification, my dear students. K plus 1 into k multiply inside k into 2k is 2k square plus k into 1 is k plus 6 into k is 6k plus 6 1s are 6 divided by 6. Next k plus 1 into 2k square plus k plus 6k is plus 7k plus 6 divided by 6. Next this is a quadratic equation in terms of k. 2k square plus 7k plus 6. First number and last number you can multiply. 2 6 0 12 k square and write like this. And the middle value is 7k. If you add, you should get 7k. If you multiply, you should get 12k square. That type of two values you can assume. Now I wanted to take 4k and 3k. 4k plus 3k is 7k. 4k into 3k is 4 3 is 12. K into k is k square. So satisfying at that time. So you can substitute here k plus 1 into 2k square. In the place of 7k you can write plus 4k plus 3k plus 6 is same divided by 6 is same. Next k plus 1 into, from these two terms I wanted to take 2k is common and the remaining value k plus 2. From last two terms I wanted to take 3 common, remaining value k plus 2 divided by 6. And next k plus 1 into k plus 2 is repeating, so I wanted to take k plus 2 common, remaining value 2k plus 3 divided by 6. So here I wanted wanted to write k plus 1 into this k plus 2 is k plus 1 plus 1. After that 2k plus 3. I wanted to write 2k plus 3 is 2k plus 2 plus 1. From these two values, taking 2 common, remaining value k plus 1 plus 1. So 2k plus 3 is 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6. After this maximum value completed, RHS value is in the given problem n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N is k plus 1, n plus 1 is k plus 1 plus 1, 2n plus 1 is 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 by 6. So here n is equal to k plus 1 is satisfying. So S of k plus 1 is true. Third step completed, my dear students. At the last, by the mathematical induction, the given statement S of n is true. The given question is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is satisfied by using the mathematical induction procedure. Thank you, my dear students. Take care. Bye. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. Joy of sharing is caring and helping.